Information, wrote Dr. Goldratt, inventor of TOC, is the answer to the question asked of the data. You have to ask good questions. Crucially too, the data has to be reliable. Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. So what might be some good questions to ask? From an operational perspective, one need only ask about 6 fundamental measures. First, how much throughput is the system generating? Second, what operating expense is being consumed to generate that throughput? Third, how much is invested in generating the profit arising from the difference between the throughput and the operating expense? Fourth, how long is what the system's doing going to take? That is, what's the lead time, turnaround time? Fifth, how reliable is system performance? That is, what is delivery to promise like? And last, what is the quality produced by the system? That is, how much product or service is either rejected or reworked? Maintaining true data means having a reliable system of record that can provide timely answers to these critical questions. After all, the purpose of information is to assist in sense and decision-making within and across the system being examined. Having a reliable system of record that contains up-to-date, true data ensures that the best possible sense-making information can be used to support effective decision-making. My course for systems thinkers explores how to embed the idea and realize the benefits of maintaining true data as a foundation process for high-performance teams. Using the 5 commandments methodically will optimize value delivered from constraints and contribute significantly to consistent high-performance results over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.